So here we made some pies called tartelette, and this is what you see there. I'll try to show you. This is that thing here. It's caramel sauce we just made last week. So I will try to do something today. I will try to put half on one side, so it's little more than half here, and I'm going to cover the other half with brown chocolate, dark chocolate. And then we're going to put roasted hazelnut and mandels. So we're going to see almonds. So we're going to see what it gives you. So here, as you see, I just put the chocolate. So here it went a little bad, but otherwise it's not too bad. And there I have some roasted almonds and hazelnut, you know. So I'm going to remove the skin and then put it on the pies. So I'm going to show you that. So now I'm going to put these things here. So the rest of the nuts on it. The only problem is that you have, or the only hard thing is that you have to go fast because the chocolate and the caramel are already cold now. So you have to go very, very fast. You press a little bit there. So now it's a matter of minutes, and it's absolutely amazing, the combination of these four tastes, which means this thing, cookie there, which is like a sablé breton in French, which means like a butter cookie with only 3-4 ingredients inside. Then you have this homemade caramel sauce with 4 ingredients inside and only good ingredients. And the last thing is very good chocolate, dark chocolate inside, which make it amazing. Okay, so the work is completed. You know, I don't think I'm such a good baker in the sense to make things beautiful. I think a real baker will make it amazing. He will probably put them more in with certain order, or you know. I don't do that. It's really homemade, you know. I just put them. I try to put the same amount of mandels and hazelnut per tartelette, but what I never, how can I say, what I'm always good with is for the taste, and I can tell you, my friends, the taste of that thing is amazing, really amazing. So we're gonna put that for our dear customers today, and maybe I'm gonna put a little bit of something on top, but I think it is very good like it is now. The only thing I can put right now is like hazelnut, how do you call that? Crushed hazelnut from Corsica. Saline, that's really nice. Atelier de la Noisette, so it's in Cervione if you're in Corsica some days. That's really nice because this is like crushed hazelnut with little salt, and I don't know the process, but it's really amazing taste.